Today I'm going to show you how you can find and recover deleted Facebook messages. Without ado, let's open our Facebook application. Here tap in your profile section. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Again tap Settings. Over here, go to Your Information and tap on Download Your Information. Deselect all these and tap on Messages. The messages that you have exchanged with other people on Messenger will be downloaded. If you scroll down, here you will see range. Tap on it and select the date, also the format. If you are done, press on Create File. Now we will wait for a notification that says you can download your information. You will be asked to enter your password, and if you do that, you can access your information. That is all for today. Thank you for watching and follow for more.